Okay, hello there, ladies and jellyfish. This is Dash Thomas and Mr. Panda Pizza from Elevators of 14S coming to you from Sector 15C. This is the elevator at the Hyatt Regency Hotel, Orlando Airport. Kind of classic levels in a way. Innovation Prestige fixtures, nice. Here we go. Not really much to see. We can see out the top.
Floor 1.
Let's see, what's the highest we can go? 10, 9, 8, 7, what the heck? 6, 4. Oh. Here we are at 4.
Floor 4.
Oh, going up?
Yes.
Which one are you going to?
4, please. I mean 8, sorry.
Oh, I don't have a... Sorry. I'm not gonna...
There we go.
I'm just an elevator enthusiast. I'm just riding these things up and down.
You're just a what?
I'm just an elevator enthusiast. I'm just riding these things up and down.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Videos of folks down below?
No, that's illegal. I'm not doing that.
Oh, really?
It's only illegal if it is for commercial purposes or there's a reasonable expectation of privacy. However, it is against channel policy. So... Yes! Oh, do we go Willy Wonka? Oh, dang it, no we don't.
Floor 10.
It's Dover blue, look at that. It's a nice view. We're at 1.
Floor 1.
Y'all going up? What the heck? There we go. Here at 4.
Floor 4.
This indicator really isn't that.
Floor 3.
Yeah, I want to say these are 700A epoch. They behave like they are at least. P51. That'll be it.